this video I'm preparing an octopus for cooking. First I carefully cut out the eyes and remove the beak. Once the octopus is cleaned and prepped, I wash it thoroughly in a bowl with cold water and kosher salt. Finally, I place it into a pot of water ready to be cooked. Watch as I take you through each step of the process to ensure the octopus is perfectly prepped for a delicious meal. As you can see here, the beak is basically the mouth of the octopus. And this is what I'm going to push out. So now I'm turning the head inside out, and I'm going to remove any unwanted bits. Once the octopus is cleaned and prepped, I wash it thoroughly in a bowl with cold water and kosher salt. You don't need to do this, but I'm using a hammer and I'm just softening the octopus a little bit. I let the water boil 15 to 20 minutes. Now you want the water to boil just, you don't want it to make bubbles, because that is when you're going to get the octopus to become rubbery and really hard to chew. So first of all, this is only up to you. What I use is 2 tablespoons of salt. I've put in the ground pepper and also other spices. But it's also up to you what you fancy to put in. I also throwing into the pot of boiling water 2 onions, lemon juice and garlic. I also going to stick in there 2 carrots and also parsnip as well. Now I'm going to marinate the octopus. For the marinade I'm using lemon juice, orange juice and garlic. Also I'm going to add in peri peri and extra pepper and also extra spices. I like my octopus to have a spicy kick, so yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. So yeah, and then I'm going to leave it in the fridge for a day so that all the flavors can soak in well before I stick it on the barbecue. What I tend to do is I dip the octopus 3 times into the boiling water before I place it into the hot water, and then I will cook it for 45 minutes to an hour or so, and I will chuck it. The way I chuck it is by sticking a fork into it and see if the fork will go in easily or is it resistant by, for example, if it is too hard or too rubbery to do so. So I will just leave it a bit longer just to soften up. I tempted the octopus on the barbecue for 6 to 10 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and give it a go. You can see it is easy to do. For the finished dish I'm using fresh cut red pepper, some lemon juice and some greens. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next video. Remember to also add a little bit of